In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a fade in and fade out on Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So I have this sample text in here, so we'll be doing the fade in and fade out animation. So basically this is a very simple effect. So actually there is already a preset in Premiere Pro for this. So all you have to do is right click at the beginning of the clip that you would want to apply the fade in or fade out animation into right here, and then you would have the cross dissolve, and this would actually make it fade in. So that's it. As you can see, there is a fade in right there, and you could also increase the duration of that by dragging the transition symbol or a bar right there. So when I go and play this, it is now much longer. And if you'd want to add a fade out, just go here at the end and right click, apply default transition, and same thing, you could also drag it out if you'd want, and there we have it. We now have a fade out. Now, what if you would want a wipe style of fade? So what we could do with that is that we could just go into Effects tab and go into Linear Wipe and drag it here into our text or our footage or whatever it is that you are applying this to. And from here is that we would want to go at the beginning of the clip that we would want it to start. And from here, we're going to go for the linear wipe. You want to keyframe that. And from here is that you want to go for 100% here at the beginning. And then for the wipe angle, you want to go for a -90. And then for the feather in here is that you want to go for 900. And now you want to move a couple of seconds, depending on when you would like it to end in fading in. So let's say I'm going to go for about here. And now I'm going to go into the effect controls again. And from here, I'm now going to set the transition completion into 0. And now when I play it, we should now have something like this. So as you can see, we now have that nice fade in effect. Now, if you would want to add a fade out after it has faded in or appeared, you just simply want to go here into the linear wipe effect controls again. And from here, you would want to go navigate into when you would like the fade out to start. Let's say somewhere in here. And I'm going to click here on add keyframe right here. And then it would now add another keyframe, a duplicate of this one, and then go back into or go to when you would like the fade out to end. Let's say somewhere in here, and then set it into 100. And now we will now have this result. So as you can see, that's nice, and there is now a fade out. And just a finishing touch is that you want to right click on all the keyframes by selecting them, and then click on ease out, and then you will now have a much smoother fade. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.